Yes, students. Today we will learn how to make a document in the mobile. मोबाइल में हम कैसे MS Word के डॉक्यूमेंट को मेक कर सकते हैं या क्रिएट कर सकते हैं. Okay. Here you can see an icon. This icon is of MS Word. Okay. You just have go to Play Store. From here you have to type word and you will get this kind of icon, Microsoft Word Write. Okay, you have to install this app, this icon, and it is free of cost. You can simply install it. It is very easy. Now after installing it, you will get this icon. Then you have to open it. I open it. When I open it, when you open it, you will get this kind of screen. Okay, here are three buttons on the top. One is to create an account in the Microsoft Office. Second button is to find all files which you make here. जितनी भी यहाँ पर फाइलें आपने बनाई हैं उसमें से कोई भी फाइल आपको जिसकी नीड है, ठीक है, उसको सर्च करने के लिए यू हैव टू यूज़ दिस बटन. आपको इस बटन को, लेंस वाले बटन को यूज़ करना है. थर्ड बटन इज़ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट, प्लस बटन. दिस इज़ यूज टू क्रिएट अ न्यू अकाउंट. ये बटन जो है न्यू अकाउंट को न्यू फाइल को क्रिएट करने के लिए, न्यू डॉक्यूमेंट को बनाने के लिए यूज़ किया जाता है. ये बटन जो है, प्लस का बटन, न्यू डॉक्यूमेंट्स को बनाने के लिए यूज़ किया जाता है. आई क्लिक ऑन प्लस बटन. यू सी व्हाट आई गेट अ न्यू ऑप्शन. मेरे पास न्यू ऑप्शन है. न्यू ऑप्शन के अंडर पे एक न्यू और ऑप्शन है, डेट इज़ क्रिएट इन. क्रिएट इन में क्या है, ये पूछ रहा है कि आपको किस में क्रिएट करना है. यू सी देयर आर लॉट ऑफ टेम्पलेट्स. नाउ आई वांट टू टेल यू व्हाट इज़ टेम्पलेट. टेम्पलेट क्या होता है? टेम्पलेट बेटा प्री डिफाइंड डिज़ाइन होते हैं, ठीक है. वो डिज़ाइन जिनको पहले से ही MS वर्ड में डिफ़ाइन किया हुआ है, उनको बनाया हुआ है, ऑलरेडी रेडीमेड है, बस आपको उसमें एडिटिंग करनी है एंड योर वर्क इज़ रेडी. सी हियर आर सो मैनी टेम्पलेट्स: न्यूज़लेटर, ब्रोचर, लीफलेट, टाइटल, paper with cover, research paper, APA style paper. There are so many templates. MLA style paper. So there are so many papers. Basic CV, if you have to create a CV for a job, there is a basic CV which you create very easily. Okay, you have not to do a lot of work, not to do a lot of effort to make. Okay, but we have to work on a blank document. हमें blank document पर work करना है. And where is the blank document? Here it is a blank document. I just click blank document. You see it is creating, working on it. As I clicked on the blank document, what I get? I get a white screen. This white screen is a working area. This button is go to back. This button is used to typing. Whenever I want to get keypad, okay, जब भी मुझे कीपैड चाहिए, whenever you want to get keypad, आपको कीपैड चाहिए, you have to click on it. This button is used to find एनीथिंग एल्स इन द डॉक्यूमेंट. आपके डॉक्यूमेंट में जो कुछ भी है उसमें से आपको कुछ भी फाइंड आउट करना है, यू हैव टू यूज़ दिस बटन. ओके, दिस बटन इज़ यूज टू चेंज द व्यू. यू वांट टू सी द डॉक्यूमेंट इन मोबाइल व्यू और प्रिंट लेआउट व्यू, एज एवर you want, you just click on this button. Okay, this button is used for undo. What is undo? Undo means to cancel the last action. Whatever you did at last, to cancel that action, this undo button is used. And the last but not least, last button but not least button, this button is used for two ways, two purpose. One, to save a file as PDF and document, whatever you want. If you want to save as a PDF, or if you want to share as a, sorry, if you want to share as a PDF, if you want to share as a document, for this you use this button. One more thing, if you want to save a file, you again use this button. Okay, got it? Now, the next thing, what is this? This vertical line is a cursor. It tells us where we have to type, from where we have to type. ये वर्टिकल कर्सर, जो वर्टिकल लाइन है, ये एक कर्सर है और ये आपको बताती है कि आपको कहाँ से टाइप करना है. ठीक है बेटा? If I click on my screen, when I click on my screen, see, you feel, I click on my screen, I get my keypad. I get my, sorry, that goes back. I click on my screen, I get my keypad, you can see. Okay. Now, from my keyboard, I can type anything else, whatever I want. Okay. It's very easy. As you type in laptop or desktop, as you can work in the mobile too. So, now there are some more buttons, you will see. Yes, now you see there are some more commands to use. You see, first of all, I am telling you text alignment. What is text alignment? This is the portion of text alignment. From here, you can place the text where you want. Okay, you can align your text. This is used for left alignment. This is used for right alignment. Center alignment. This is used for center alignment, and this is used for right alignment, and this is used for justify. Okay. Once again, I explain you. This is used for left alignment. This is used for center alignment. This is used for right alignment, and this is used for center alignment. I am showing you to do this. मैं आपको करके दिखाती हूँ. See, I choose center alignment. My cursor appears on the center. Now you can see my cursor is in the center. If I choose right alignment, my cursor goes to the right. Okay. Now this is a font. ये क्या है? Font है. From here you can choose any font whatever you want. This is a font size option. From here you can choose the font. From here you can set the font size whatever you want. From here you can make your text bold. From here you can make your text italic style. From here you can underline your text. And from here you can strike through the text. Strike through means you just cross a line over the text. Okay. Now I am showing you all this. Yes. Now first of all, I make my cursor in the center. I change the font from here. Here are as much as fonts that is available in the Microsoft Office 2007. Okay, I choose Baskerville Oldfish. From here I change the font size. See, my cursor goes to bigger. Yes. Now I typing. My hobby. I entered. From here I'm now I make the text. Make the text from the left. Okay, I place my cursor on the left. My cursor is now available at the left. See, here you get a red curly lines under a mistake. As I select it, it gave me a lot of correct words. This is my correct word. I choose it and my correction is over. You see? Now I want to make it bold. Okay, so I select off it and choose bold, B icon. I want to underline it. I click on the underline icon. I want to give color to my text, so I go to this icon. See where A, capital A is written. From here I choose my color. You see? Do you see now? Okay. Now I give you the example of strike through. Strike through, this is, I write here. Now I want to make it a strike through text. So I select it, go and click on it. See, a line is cross over my text. Okay. Today for this is only. Do it practical in your mobile and thank you.